Oh guys, good morning. Oh, nag-meet me sa aming pinakagwapa na.
May may pasalubong ako na
Oh guys, meron akong
fresh from
pasalubong. Meron akong Sharon, guys. Oh, di ba? Oh my God. Kahumot, uy. Guys, nanimaho lagi. Nanimaho ang daing, guys. Oh, thank you, MJ. Oh. Meron kami.
Na yan.
I guess from Pinas. Dala to nila ni mother at saka ni father.
Yes.
Kasi yung parents ni MJ pumunta dito, guys. Kaya ayun, na-busy ang madam, hindi nakapunta ng aming dating. Kaya ang daming babawi na siya. Guys, naamoy ko.
Yung brown kay Bella.
Asan?
Ang brown na bag kay Bella.
Ay, sa kay Bella. Di ba,
Ay,
guys?
hindi. Red pala. Brown pala sa'yo. Red yung kay Bella. Sorry na.
Guys, look at! Oh my God, sa akong panawagan. Nanakoy nuko! Salamat! Oh, newspaper guys, fresh from Philippines. Diba? Now, nandito ako guys sa labas kasi my daughter and my husband, as per them, smell fishy daw. But smell fishy is yummy for my tummy. Luto tayo guys! Oh my God! Yung asawa ko nito guys, he don't want to eat this. But we'll see. Oh, diba? Sarap girls! Oy, naku.
What is this name?
Ha?
I forgot the name.
Nukos.
Not nukos, that.
Squid.
Squid.
Yummy guys, yummy. Dirty, yummy. Lami kayo guys, oh. Sarap. Yummy. Hello guys, good morning. See guys, I'm cooking guys. I received a parcel from Philippines. This one guys, on ano ba yung tawag dito? What is the call of this? I don't know. And then I'm cooking outside because my husband and my daughter, they don't like the smell. And then fish from Philippines. Thank you so much, MJ. Now I cook first this one, guys. Okay? Because Sophia and my husband, they don't like the smell. That's why my craving satisfied. I need to cook here in outside. Because these two guys, they don't want to make it. Yesterday, I received a partial and then Sophia said, Mommy, smell fishy. Oh my God, smell fishy guys. But for me guys, it's very yummy. See guys, oh, from Philippines with newspaper. And then, my saliva is out na guys. Dry fish. Yummy. My husband and my baby guys, they don't like to eat. But my husband, he'll eat this one dry fish. But Sophia, no choice for Sophia, guys. Yummy. And then onion with tomato and so yummy, guys. Kain tayo mga mahal ko. See, so yummy. Oh my God. Habang nagluluto ako, guys, you know what? My saliva is out. Because if I cook this one inside, ay naku guys. There too much water guys. This two is too much girgir to me. I will cook 2 pieces only. It's nice kasi crispy. MJ, thank you so much, MJ. I cook 2 pieces guys. So that until evening I no need because inside is not allowed to cook there. Very hot guys. Too much. Ito na guys, niloto ko guys. Ay, ang sarap. So delicious. Yummy, 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 yummy. You know what, guys? When that one, I think almost decade I did not try this kind of fish. Because here in Nepal we have, but different. That's why. Nagluto tayo ng ano. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Be kind. I love you all. Be happy. Amping kanonay.
From Philippines.
It's 7-level tea. Ah,
Guys, first time I make ice candy. Oh my God. This is from plastic. Came from Philippines. Thank you, MJ. Now, oh, see? I mix Oreo. Ah, diba? Oh, look, si Bonso. Ice candy! 10 rupees! 10 rupees! Ice candy! Oh, how,
Ice candy. Ice candy. What great.
don't do like that. You will post in the YouTube.
that is joke kasi. No problem. Oh, diba? Enjoy kayo mga bata tayo. Oh, later. You finish first ice candy. Hala, ice candy and watermelon. Oh my God.
Only for today.
Baby, oh, come here. Come. See our cute baby, guys. Oh, hi.
Next 2 days,
Hi.
like ice candy box.
Ow. Ow. Busy.
Plastic bottle honey.
Oh, guys, mga busy, guys. Oh, masarap, Jo.
You can use any plastic.
Oh, guys, ito guys, oh, uwi na to ng Pilipinas. Mamimiss namin to. Makakain siya. She will go home now. Thank you for
You can
coming.
make this with any plastic.
Ayan, the plastic bag. 1 kilo. 1 kilo ice.
Oh guys, so festival for ice candy. First time we eat here in Nepal. Ala, si Bunso, tingnan mo, nagdala ng plato.
They don't know to eat ice candy.
Oh, because first time, guys. This is our first time.
Sana ka ng ganito. Para i-mix mo.
Ang ganda sa inyo to, avocado, no? Bili tayo ng avocado ba?
Mango sa mango.
Oh, mango na. Malapit na mango.
Na mango.
Oh my God.
Magparin na ng pawis. Pawisin talaga ito. Ay. Hayaan mo, te.
Ice candy. Ice candy. Oh.
Kaya magdala sa
Hi.
pag ganyan.
Hi, ice candy. She want to eat. She want to eat. She want to eat ice candy. Oh, mami, sa ala. Wow. Our baby eating ice candy. Oh my God.
Pwede yung disposable
Let's give a difference for
Parang pang 5 piso sa atin doon sa Pilipinas.
See, someone is busy with 2 things.
Hala, kinuha niya ang ano, plastic.
This one, look, they remove the plastic for si Black Bunso. Itong dalawa ka mga ignorante.
Guys, first time eating ice candy. This all half Nepali, half Filipino.
Ice candy with the plate.
See? First time. First time eating this, guys. Now, they remove the plastic. Oh my God. Oh. See? This is all Filipino. Half and half Nepali. First time eating. Removing the plastic. My God.
Ay, masarap avocado talaga, no?
Mm.
I keep remembrance for
Hi, Bunso. Wow, Bunso. See, very busy. Now, time to relax because recently they finished their exam. Now, time for relaxing the kids. Because recently the exam is finished. Now, they are busy na. Aha na. Oh, Bunso. Aste-aste ha, aste-aste. Gasoga. If I will